Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto chocolate cake. It's very simple and you will get to enjoy it. Let's just get right into it. For this recipe I'm using 1 cup of organic coconut flour. As you can see, coconut flour is a little different from the wheat flour that everybody uses all the time, so you have to work with it a certain way. So I'm adding now baking powder. The baking powder is going to help the coconut flour rise a little bit. Then I'm adding cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. So I'm mixing it all together. And once I'm done mixing it, now I'm adding butter, melted butter. You can use butter at room temperature, but for this recipe, I chose to melt mine so I can mix it all together. I am also adding 2 eggs into the mixture. Coconut flour is not an easy flour to work with actually. So to make it flexible, it's good that you add xanthan gum if you have it. If you don't, then you can just do without it. So to that I'm adding a little bit of maple syrup. That will be the only sugary element to the whole cake. As you can see, I'm mixing all the ingredients together. And to that, I'm going to actually add some more elements to make it a little more moist. So I'm adding more butter, a little bit more. I am mixing it. I'm also adding olive oil and to make the flour more flexible for me. And I'm also adding 2 more eggs that I'm mixing. And as I'm mixing, all of this is to make the cake more moist once it's going to be baked. So to that, I'm adding a little bit of vanilla extract, organic vanilla extract. And to the cake, I'm adding chocolate chips. It's optional. It's semi-sweet chocolate chips. You don't have to put it if you don't want to. I also added a little bit of water. So once I'm done mixing everything into my pan, my baking dish, I am now greasing it and making sure that I add a little bit of flour too so that the cake will not stick to the pan. And now I'm putting my cake mixture into my pan. In the meantime, I have preheated my oven to 400 degrees and I'm gonna bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes of baking, my cake is ready. I let it cool off a little bit and now I'm going to cut it. And as you can see, the cake looks very good and I'm going to taste it. It is really delicious and I hope you try it. To complete the cake, I'm also adding my buttercream icing that I made the other day that you can find into one of my video feeds. There you have all the ingredients to make your homemade cake and also your icing. Thank you for watching. If you like the content of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe and share the video so others can enjoy making the cake too. Enjoy.